Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add currency with symbol and activate on Shop. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Now search currency. Go to Currency tab and click on Add Entry. Now fill the detail form. Click Save. Now go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Now go to Shop Settings and Shops. Now select your currency. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.